Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing my last Valentine's nail set for the year. I do have my nail tips sized out already, but I want these to be short, so I'm gonna cut not too short but shorter than my nail set on my left hand. So I'm gonna cut these before I apply them onto my hand, and I think that is a pretty good size, and then I'm gonna cut the rest into that same size. Right, so I have the tips on my nails and I'm ready to go. And as you can see, like I said, these are really short, shorter than my set on my left hand, and I think I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna go on with base gel onto all of my nails, maybe except my ring finger. We'll just see. I'll see, or the pointer finger. I'm not too sure what I want to do yet, but I know that I want black and red hearts on this nail set. Okay, so I applied base gel onto all my nails except my index finger. At this point, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. At first I wanted to go with acrylic, and now I have gel out. I'm not really sure if I'm still gonna go with the acrylic. I really don't know, but for now I'm just gonna apply the red onto my thumb and the black onto my pinky. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I want to do, honestly. Okay, I'm making up things as I go, because right now I'm sitting here for over 30 minutes just overthinking the design. I thought I was done with these, but I think I want to do a marble using the straw like I did with this fingernail. Doesn't really show much there, the pink and whites. I mean, underneath you can see, but it's not really as marbled as it is on top, but it is a matte nail, so I don't know. I'm gonna try the same technique with this black and red onto my ring finger, and hopefully it goes well. So let me quickly get my straw. I don't even know if this red would work because it is thick, but I hope it does. Okay, so here goes nothing. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like the black moves much easier than the red does because the black has a low viscosity compared to the red. I don't know. It's a bit messy right now, but let me try and fix that before I wipe off the sides. Okay, I don't think this is going the way I thought it would. So I'm gonna wipe that and try another technique. Okay, I'm gonna try something else, and if this fails, then at this point I might have to just abandon this idea of having a marble. I'm not really good with marbles. I couldn't clean that nail properly, please excuse that. At some point a girl has to learn to marble. I don't even think these are great colors to marble together, but it is what it is. I don't think I need too much black because we've seen what black does. Okay, I think I'm happy about that. At this point I'm just covering the clear parts. Great, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. So I'm gonna cure that. Love that. So that is cured. It looks like a rose with just, I don't know. It looks more black than red, and I love that. But it just looks like it has some rosy effect to it. Anyway, for this index finger, I think I'm gonna go with the glue gel. I do want to apply this, glitter, the black glitter that I've always struggled to cure, but I'm gonna use this glue gel to do that. Hopefully it works really well, because I've tried this on some of my press-ons, I think, and I think I'm out of that, but I'm gonna use this to cover the whole nail. I think this is a very thick layer, but there's no way I can reduce that into, and my glitter is running out, you guys. I'm so sad. This is such a beautiful black. I just feel like I haven't gotten any set that shows this black off, because another black that I have isn't hollow. It doesn't shift colors. It's just black, and it's just a dull black, but I love this one. I think this is beautiful. I'm gonna cure that. Hopefully it cures. Hopefully. Okay, so that was cured for 60 seconds. I'm hoping it's well cured, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna wipe off the excess. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so proud. Look at that. I've always wanted a set with like showing off this black. I hope it works well. I'm gonna top coat this just to protect it. In fact, I'm gonna top coat all my nails just to protect them. But now let me work on this middle finger before I encapsulate. Now the stars of the show are these hearts that I used on this hand, except the pink ones. Except the ones with the pink and the white, of course. I don't know if you guys noticed on this video when I did these nails, I was actually concentrating on taking the red and the pink for this nail set. There's white in there, but I did not want white. But when I was filming this video, I was just off. So I don't even think I mentioned it. Well, I haven't edited that video, so if I haven't, I probably will edit as a voiceover. Anyway, so I'm gonna be using these hearts and these black ones, all of them from Shein. This I got from my last Shein haul, and this I don't remember when. I haven't used this, I don't think, ever. I'm gonna put some of this inside this little container. And that's a lot, but we can always save that afterwards. And then I'm going to use the builder gel to put these onto my nails. So what I'm going to do is going to apply the builder gel where I want the hearts to be. Very thin layer of the builder gel. I'm gonna put just a little bit there because I want to put a heart. I hope it sticks because this nail is C curved, but I did say I wanted to top coat that nail to protect it, so I hope it works without the top coat. I don't know. I'm gonna top coat that either way. So right, before I cure that, I'm gonna go onto my glitter nail with this base coat. I want a heart on top of the base coat, on top of this nail rather. So I'm just protecting the glitter because last time I did my nails with this glitter, I'm gonna link the video up in the cards. It didn't go as well. I don't even think I remember the name of the video, but I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna link it. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go in with these hearts, just one of them. They're already curved, so I don't have to curve them using the tool that I got. Oh, well, it's not curved enough for this nail. That is weird. Okay, let me just, yeah, this is a very C-curved nail, so I'm just gonna get my tool. All right, I have my tool here. This is already curved, like I said, but it's not as curved as the C-curved nail. So I'm gonna use my tweezers to remove that heart there because it's all sticky. And I think I'm gonna wipe it first. Let me just put it on the glove, right? And then curve it even more. I want it to sit straight though. And then I'm gonna use this little tool to curve it more. This is gonna be hard because I do care about the direction that it's curved in. Okay, that is curved, but it still looks like it's not as curved as my C curve nail. But I'm gonna put that onto my nail. It is much better, but it's not too much. So let me use the tweezers to just get it down there. Oh my gosh, I don't think I can with the tweezers, so maybe I might have to touch it. Bend it a bit. I don't even think you can even tell that that is there, but I know, and that matters. So I'm gonna cure this. All right, so all of that is cured. I'm just gonna encapsulate everything, and then I'm officially done with this nail set. I thought it was gonna be simple, but it wasn't. It didn't come to me the way I thought it would. I blanked out. I didn't put this bead, I guess, of Builder Gel on properly because I was trying to remove lint from my nail before I encapsulate it. So that's why it's a bit of a mess, but it's okay. I'll fix it. There's so much bubbles, but you know me by now, Miss Bubbles. One thing about clear Builder Gel, sometimes I don't see, like I can't really tell if I have products in certain area and then other areas have dips, and then next thing I have like a very lumpy nail and then somewhere it's flat because it's really, really clear. So I hope I don't have too much of a lumpy area. So I'm gonna cure that. That's the last nail. Thank God for these gloves, like wowzer. Okay, so my lighting has got a bit dim. My battery is low. So I have finished curing these. I'm just gonna remove the sticky layer of all the nails, and then I'm gonna file off camera while my battery charges, and then I'm gonna be back after filing my nails. Right, I am done filing and shaping these nails. I'm gonna go on. I did sanitize these nails, but they just look so dusty. But anyway, I'm gonna go on with my no wipe top coat from Julie Angel just to finish up the set. I don't know, a part of me just feels a bit off doing these nails. I feel like doing themed nails for me is just it doesn't work. Like I get too my mind just gets blocked, and then I don't like the sets that I come out with. And I've noticed this with my Halloween themed nails last year. That was the very first, I don't want to say trend, but you know, themed nails that I did. Okay, no, not, I'm lying. The very first themed nails I've done was the Valentines ones last year, because I started posting in February. But those were good, and those were my first good nails. Despite the fact that I was filming, I think the fact that I was filming made me not be too sloppy. And then I got sloppy along the way while filming, and then Halloween was the hardest for me. Short nails was the hardest, and September was the hardest. And now I'm like, ooh, these February ones, these you know, Valentine's nails, they're not coming out the way I had imagined them to. Even the set on my left hand, if you haven't watched the video where I did my left hand, you can go watch. I just feel like it didn't really come out the way I had planned it to, you know. So I hope I'm not burning out, but I did take a break in December. So let's hope the rest of the year goes well. I'm ready for good sets. But this is a beautiful nail. Oh my goodness, I love this nail. I love this. Look at that, my cuticles are not covered by that color, but I tried. I really tried. But yeah, am I being too hard on myself, you guys, or do you think I did well? Let me know what you think about this nail set in the comment section down below. Right, so these nails are cured, and that is the finished set. I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna go on with this bling girl. Cuticle oil. I'm gonna have to put on lotion before I take those outside shots, because wow, this cuticle oil isn't gonna cut it. And that is it. Okay, looking into these nails, I don't like how the cuticles of this one looks. Like the gel didn't get to my cuticles, and then the glitter here was chipping off. So I'm gonna use top coat again. So I'm just gonna wipe, because I did put on lotion onto my hands, so I thought I was done with the set. I'm gonna wipe off these nails, these two nails, and I'm gonna use cuticle rhinestones to cover that up, because I'm not liking that. So like I said, I'm going to use top coat. I'm not even going to put on rhinestone glue, just to see, because so far the nails that I've had where I put rhinestone glue, they did last. So I hope these last too with just top coat. So I ended up putting on those rhinestones, cuticle rhinestones off camera, and this is how the nails are looking. I feel like these rhinestones are big. If I could get a full amount of those cuticle rhinestones of this size, this little size, then I would have done that. And yeah, that's why I ended up doing that off camera, because these are just, all of them are like, there's different sizes in there, and it took me such a long time to find rhinestones of this size to put onto my nails, but they would go up to half my nail and not complete a full cuticle. So I had to go one size up, and I'm not really liking them, but I mean, it's much better than seeing those cuticles looking like they already, you know, beat up. But that's how the nails are looking. Please let me know what you think about this set in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh no. No. So now I know that I should definitely use blink gel for my rhinestones, because this is not acceptable. This is just the following day, literally just the following day. So no.